In today's video, I'll show you how to change name servers in Cloudflare so you can connect your domain and manage your website settings properly. If you're new to name servers, they are settings that tell the internet where your domain's DNS information is managed. Updating them is required when you want to use Cloudflare for your website. First, log into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website or domain where you want to update the name servers. Next, go to the Setup section and check the 2 Cloudflare name servers assigned to your domain. These are unique for every website, so make sure you copy the exact ones shown in your account. Now open your domain registrar account. This is the company where you purchased your domain name. Find the domain management area and open the name server settings. The location of this option may be different depending on your registrar. Change the name server option from the default setting to custom name servers. Then remove the existing name servers and replace them with the 2 Cloudflare name servers you copied earlier. After entering the new name servers, save your changes and return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Now click the option to check your name servers. Cloudflare will verify whether your domain is pointing correctly to its network. Keep in mind that name server changes may not happen instantly. It can take some time for the update to spread across the internet. Once the connection is complete, your Cloudflare dashboard will show that your domain is active, and you can start using Cloudflare features like DNS management and security settings. And that's how you change name servers in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.